Okay, so now I show you the first we need to install the WAM server. So you can check out on the Google, and also the WAM server you can see the version PHP 8.2 8.3. So the list over there, like if you want to install with the later version, sign up all we need to PHP maybe 8.2 or 8.3. Yeah, it's right. So you can check out with the Laravel from the official. So it's here, and also you can check out installation. Okay, configuration. So this is the later was another framework Laravel, the 11.8. So we can list the version of Laravel 11. Okay, so now we start the first one we need to install the WAM server. So I can click installation. Here you can select it with the version. You see the PHP 64 bit. You can list other PHP here, so you can select the one that you want to install, but maybe we need to know what the version they want to install, the Laravel 10. Maybe we can to select TPD 7.4 or 8.0. So it means that you want to install with the latest version, we should to select the PHP 8.3 or 8.2. Okay, so you can select it there. This one. Okay, this one is the WAM server H64. So it's referred to if you click install the WAM server. So it means that you install with the PHP 8.3, and also and really we can install the later version of the 11. Okay, so yes, so after that when we install the WAM server, it has completed. So now we move on to the second. We need to install the npm. So the npm is npm. So you can install npm. You can install from the Node.js. So you can do right there. Okay. So you can click install here. So you can select it with 8 or 20. Yeah, it's in there. So you can install it here. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay. I have the two parts, and the last one we need to code the data. So I use a video was on CG code. You can see. Just that now I'm started we install the Laravel, because yes, the first one we need to install the WAM server, and second install the npm from the Node.js, and the last one, okay, you just know about code editor here, so I use it with the Visual Studio Code. Yes, so yes, now we started. So you can to see from the official website, the Laravel, and you see the document from there. You see, so how to install it? Yes, see, create a Laravel frameworks. So before you create the first Laravel framework, we need to have the PHP. So I have to install already, so you can choose to check out again. PHP install. Okay, it's a PHP 8.2.0. But the mistake, we need to install the composer. So how to do it? So just to search composer install, and you see the composer is here. Yes, just run it. Okay, just run it here. Composer / just install, and after that, what we need to do, we need to run composer, create project Laravel / Laravel exam / apps. Okay, so here you can do write it in the local server. I run it in local. So the here you can create okay, just Laravel projects here. So it means that I running the component, running the first Laravel project in the folder Laravel project. Okay, so here also I can do cmd, and now run the poser here. Yes, I didn't tell you everyone here. You can check the poser be like you have clicks install the composer. Yes, after that you can to check out by composer be. So you see this is a version of composer 2.3.0. okay, so now I saw the Laravel by writing composer composer create / project Laravel / Laravel, and now you can to select it, the name of the projects. So this one I can to first projects. Okay, this one. So now we started to create, to download Laravel framework Laravel. So it is a library that it's a component that to create the Laravel. Yes. Okay. Here. So just invite it until it finishes. Yes, completed. Yes, just ready. If you want to quit, like want to quit in CMD, you can to Control C to quit it. But I just tell you, maybe I can do that and a video for everyone. Okay, so just waiting until you complete it. Okay, this one, yes, and then you can to write the cd slash example app, because now I rename the example app to a first project, so I can do write on cd, mean to change the directory, and the file name is called the first project, so cd slash cd first projects. Okay, so just write it. Okay, this one. So it means that we successfully to the first command that we need to do. Okay, so it's like this. So after that, can go to move to cd change directory and go to the file name first check. See, so yes, it's mean to move to the folder first project, and then you can to type the command php, yes, php, and this side set, yes, and then you click next. Okay, so this one, so it means that the first project we running in the localhost, so I can click there, yes, this one. So it means that we successfully to install the Laravel data version with 11.22.0 PHP v8 version 8.2.0. Okay, so yes, that's all. So thank you for watching my video.